If you travel even a few times a year, these Amazon travel essentials can make your trips easier, more organized, and a lot more comfortable. From smart packing to must-have gadgets, these can seriously upgrade your travel experience. All products links are in description. So let's get into it. Starting off with number 1, the Tomtok Compact EDC Sling Bag, a sleek and lightweight way to carry your everyday essentials while traveling. It keeps your phone, wallet, and passport organized, easy to access, and comfortable to carry throughout the day without feeling bulky. Number 2, the Joyway 7-piece luggage set, a complete travel solution that gives you everything you need for short trips, long vacations, or family travel. Instead of buying separate bags, this set keeps everything matching, organized, and easy to manage. With multiple sizes, you can pack smarter, stay organized, and travel with way more convenience and style. Number 3, the Luggage Travel Backpack, a spacious and well-designed travel bag that makes packing and organizing your essentials super easy. It features multiple compartments to keep everything neatly separated, so you're not digging through your bag to find things. Whether it's for flights, daily travel, or short trips, it gives you plenty of space while staying comfortable to carry, making your entire travel experience smoother and more organized. Number 4, the Aero Trunk Compression Packing Cubes, a smart packing solution that helps you fit more clothes into your luggage while keeping everything perfectly organized. These cubes compress your clothes to save space and separate your items, so your suitcase stays neat and easy to manage. It's a simple upgrade that makes packing faster, cleaner, and way more efficient. Number 5, the Searolled Neck Pillow, a travel essential that helps you stay comfortable and supported during long flights, road trips, or train rides. It provides proper neck support, reducing strain and helping you relax or sleep better while traveling. Its soft and compact design makes it easy to carry, so you can stay comfortable wherever you go. Number 6, the Septix Universal Travel Adapter, a must-have for international travel that lets you charge your devices anywhere in the world. It works with multiple plug types, so you don't have to worry about compatibility issues in different countries. It's compact, easy to carry, and keeps all your devices powered up while you're on the go. Number 7, the Dated Money Belt, a simple but essential travel accessory that helps keep your cash, cards, and passport safe and hidden while you're on the move. It's designed to be worn under your clothes, making it more secure than carrying everything in your pockets or bag. It's lightweight, comfortable, and gives you extra peace of mind during travel. Number 8, the Covia Weekly Pill Organizer, a simple but very useful travel essential that helps you keep your medications or supplements neatly organized throughout the week. Each compartment is clearly separated, so you always know what to take and when, making your routine easier and more stress-free while traveling. It's compact, secure, and perfect for staying consistent with your health routine on the go. Number 9, the Aventry Relay Bluetooth Adapter, a smart travel gadget that lets you connect your wireless headphones to airplane screens or other non-Bluetooth devices. It's perfect for flights, so you can enjoy movies or music without using wired earphones. Just plug it in, pair your headphones, and you're good to go, making your travel experience way more comfortable and modern. Number 10, the Listen MagSafe Phone Holder, a super convenient travel accessory that keeps your phone securely in place while driving or on the go. It uses a strong magnetic hold, so you can quickly attach and remove your phone without any hassle. It's perfect for navigation, hands-free use, and keeping your setup clean and organized, making your travel experience safer and more comfortable. Number 11, the MZOO Sleep Eye Mask, a simple yet powerful travel essential that helps you get better rest no matter where you are. It's designed to completely block out light, creating a dark and comfortable environment so you can relax and fall asleep faster, whether you're on a flight, in a hotel, or just taking a quick nap. The soft and ergonomic design ensures it sits comfortably on your face without putting pressure on your eyes, making your overall travel experience much more relaxing and refreshing. Number 12, the Cozy Essential Travel Vacuum Bags, a smart and space-saving solution that helps you pack more without increasing your luggage size. By removing excess air, these bags compress your clothes, making everything more compact and easy to fit into your suitcase. It not only keeps your items neatly organized, but also protects them from dust and moisture, making your entire travel experience cleaner, more efficient, and hassle-free. Number 13. The MISDRY Travel Bottles. A simple but essential travel accessory that lets you carry your toiletries in a clean and organized way. Instead of carrying full-size products, you can easily fill these bottles with shampoo, lotion, or other essentials, making your luggage lighter and more convenient. They are compact, leak-resistant, and perfect for keeping your travel setup neat and hassle-free. Number 14. The Koidia Clear Shoe Bags. A simple but super useful travel essential that helps you keep your shoes separate while keeping the rest of your luggage clean and organized. Instead of letting dirt from shoes mix with your clothes, these bags keep everything protected and neatly packed. The clear design makes it easy to quickly see what's inside without opening each bag, saving you time while packing or unpacking. They are lightweight, easy to carry, and perfect for keeping your travel setup clean, organized, and hassle-free. Number 15. The Portable Handheld Turbo Fan, a compact yet powerful cooling gadget that keeps you comfortable wherever you go. Despite its small size, it delivers strong airflow, making it perfect for travel, outdoor use, or hot environments. It's easy to carry, simple to use, and a great way to stay cool on the move. Number 16. The Nisho Travel Toiletry Bag, a smart and organized way to carry all your toiletries while traveling. It features multiple compartments that let you neatly store items like shampoo, skincare, and essentials without creating a mess. The hanging design makes it super convenient to use in hotels or bathrooms, keeping everything visible and easy to access. Number 17. The Anker Prime Power Bank, a must-have travel essential that keeps your devices charged wherever you go. Whether you're on a long flight, road trip, or just out for the day, it gives you reliable backup power so your phone never runs out of battery. It's compact, easy to carry, and makes your travel experience much more stress-free. Number 18. The Bowdner Travel Mini Umbrella, a compact and reliable essential that keeps you prepared for unexpected weather. It's small enough to fit in your bag, yet strong enough to protect you from rain or sun while you're on the go. Perfect for travel, it gives you peace of mind without taking up space. Number 19. The Remote Luggage Travel Cup Holder, a super convenient travel accessory that lets you carry your drinks hands-free while moving through the airport. It easily attaches to your suitcase handle, so you can hold coffee, water bottles, or even small items without juggling everything in your hands. It's simple, practical, and makes traveling a lot more comfortable and stress-free, especially when you're rushing through airports or carrying multiple bags. Number 20. The FYY Travel Cable Organizer, a simple but super useful way to keep all your cables, chargers, and small gadgets neatly organized while traveling. Instead of dealing with tangled wires, everything stays in one place, easy to find and easy to use. It's compact, efficient, and makes your travel setup much cleaner and stress-free. All the links are in the description below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more smart Amazon finds.